Hence the Unknown stopped in Natural Bridge to visit the Glenwood Furnace, a forge used during the Civil War by the Confederate Army to create pig iron and weapons. While not thought of to be haunted, there are rumors, and this is what we found.
Alright. So, we went to this Glenwood Furnace place in Natural Bridge, Virginia. Honestly, I didn't think we was going to catch anything. It was probably going to be like a debunk video.
That's sad. There should be a power line. Is there a power line?
I'll turn it down a little bit more.
Houses right across the street.
Yeah, but I don't think there's no power lines on this side of the road. There's no electricity.
I guess, investigate.
You ready? Is there anybody here with us today that would like to come up to touch the puck?
All I gotta do is just touch this device if someone's here with us.
It won't hurt you.
Dude.
Oh. Hey, the puck just went off.
What the hell? Someone here with us? There's someone here with us. Can you touch that device again?
Has anybody died here?
Oh.
Okay. Oh, twice.
Double touch. Light touches, though.
Is there more than one person here? What are y'all looking over there for?
Some noises.
Yeah, I heard like.
Anything?
Yeah.
We got 3 touches.
3 taps?
Yeah.
The hell?
I don't know if that's in any way coincidental or not. 'Cause it's not doing it now.
So there is somebody here with us? Just touch the puck again, please.
Yeah, we had a couple of touches on the EMF puck. We had medium, hard.
Did you work here? Or visited here? Recently? Not
Were
recently,
you a
but...
native?
Huh?
A Native American? Did you serve in the Civil War?
Maybe put the puck inside where you can, like, still grab it.
Did that thing just, like, go up a little bit?
What?
His EMF detector. Like, as soon as you moved your hand away, it went up a little bit. That thing just went off, too.
Mm-hmm. Is the puck better for you to...
Oh, the puck's gone off over there while they're asking questions. Let me know if you get any EMF detection. I'm going to go back here with
Can
the
you,
puck.
like, reach it better?
Do you want me to stick it in there more?
It's all light touches, though. But there are touches.
Is it better for you to touch it inside? If you're here, can you touch the puck again? You can light tap it, hard tap it. Please?
Which shouldn't be going off.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm like, there's no power. Unless there's something underneath it that we don't know.
If there was power, this thing would be going off too.
You know, it, well, I don't know.
It went off when I had my phone in my pocket.
Because you can turn that thing on in the house and it won't go off all the time.
I mean, does it go off when your phone gets near it or anything like that?
Yeah.
Not mine.
Not that one. I don't think so.
Yeah, my phone's not even setting it off, and that's actually...
Well, it's now
Electric.
I can turn it down. I can turn it over.
That device isn't gonna hurt you if you want to tap it again, please. You can tap it for yes or no
Probably put
questions.
it on when I looked at it, because it can give you a number of like the natural EMF field around here.
That just did a touch again.
Look, I'm not gonna lie. I think
That thing's on some low sensitivity too.
Yeah, so that is, there's something touching it.
Have you been here long?
Alright, Zach, look, I just want to go ahead and say we debunked it a little bit because we turned it down a significant, not like a whole ton, but we turned it down a little bit and still got attacked.
So there is something here?
I think so.
There
There's no
appears to be.
I don't, because if they would put power through underneath the ground right here, they would have to move this or tear this down.
Because this was built in
Yeah,
1853.
and this is also the national forest area right here. So they're not going to do that.
You can step in front of the cameras. My question is it a person that had died here, or is there an... Oh, what are you getting? Turn it towards me.
3. I'm getting a
3.
3. But it did shoot up to a 4, like right here.
Something's here.
That you?
Look,
Oh, look.
Take your flashlight
there.
off of it. Dang, okay. So we're actually getting some EMF signals in this place.
Yeah, there's no
Or is it the
wires.
bars?
Let's do the bars.
The bars don't, I mean, they can carry a current, but there's nothing electrifying them.
I wish I knew more about this place, but literally what's on that sign is all it's on Google.
I wonder if there was an accident.
There could have been an accident. Look at that, EMF 3 right there. He's getting EMF 3. I had to zoom in on it earlier to see it.
Is this you standing right here in front of my phone with this device?
It's a very, very faint EMF signal, but...
With the team getting EMF signals, it was time to pull out the spirit box and see if we could get any voice responses from whatever lingers around this
Maybe
furnace.
put your spirit box down?
That's what I was thinking.
There's something sticking around here.
Is anyone here wants to speak with us? What's that?
I don't know. My camera went out. There's an animal over there somewhere. Something made noise over there, broke a stick and ran.
You said guess again.
That's what it sounded like. It said guess again.
The spirit box literally just said guess again. Is that not an animal?
Is it you?
I guess this place does have something. I really didn't expect that.
I didn't really expect it either.
Did you used to work here?
Whatever it is, it's not a very strong spirit if it is one.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem to want to interact with us very much though.
It did say guess again.
That's kind of funny.
Did you come and touch this puck earlier?
Have you been touching the puck?
Is that you in the woods over there?
It may not want to interact with us anymore.
Did you say damn right? I don't know.
The weird part too is the spirit box are so faint. It's like it just didn't have enough energy to give to try to communicate with us.
Are you still here with us?
We try the other side?
Yeah, sure.
After getting small responses on the front, we decided to move towards the national forest side around the back, away from the road. And this is where things started to get a little bit weird.
You want to see if you want to put your puck over here at a distance from us? Maybe like they're staying away from us a little bit.
I wonder if they can't go far. That's why they were touching the puck mainly.
Maybe. Well, I'm thinking maybe they're kind of staying at a distance.
I'd like to set the camera close to the spirit box. That way we can hear it and see the puck at the same time.
Let's turn it up.
Because I'm only on
gonna-
I'm only on a single
I'm gonna
camera
flip this
angle.
back and roll up that window so no one.
You should actually just set that down somewhere. Just leave it on and set it down.
right here.
Leave it, yeah, near the forge. Do you want me to set my spirit box over there, Dan?
Oh. Whoa, hard touch on the puck. And a light touch. In the friggin' woods. I hear movement back there as well.
Is that you touching that device? Can you tap it once for yes?
Oh, hard touch.
Pretty good touch.
There's another touch there.
Unless it's spirit box side. You prefer to stay at the distance? You don't have to get so close to us. You don't want to.
There's a green touch over there.
You like it up here better than down there? The box said yeah.
Yeah, it was super faint though.
Yeah.
That's an orange touch on the puck just now.
Did you used to work here? Did you take any part of the Civil War?
Sounds almost like some whistling.
Yeah, that's what I just not heard of it.
I heard it twice.
I heard it again.
That thing's whistling.
Yeah. Could you tell us your name in this box right here? Just keep kind of whistling.
Yes, you are.
I heard a bunch of whistling. Not a lot of talking.
Oh, whistling?
Yeah. Listen.
I'm gonna wave this around a little bit.
Like over there?
Yeah, just walk over there and give it a couple. Oh, there was a hard touch on the puck there just now.
That's a medium.
Another one.
Yeah, red's a hard, orange is a medium.
Gotcha. There's a green touch there.
Look at all the bugs flying too.
Green touch.
Comes them off.
Well, I haven't seen any orbs.
Remember that weird? Yeah, you heard it?
Yeah.
I'm not sure how to describe the feeling other than eerie, and
It was pretty wild. I mean, we
Yes.
kept on like hearing things.
whistles.
The spirit box, someone was whistling like non-stop almost.
Pulled them off.
Start fighting people.
We got a hard touch on the puck.
And a light one.
Yeah, well,
What was it?
What?
It's a
What is it?
whistle.
There's lots of whistling. Do you like to whistle? Are you signaling something? There's a green touch right there. I heard something in the woods just now.
Is it the devil? Yes.
That was a hard touch.
Who's whistling? Are you calling for something?
What the heck?
We kept hearing footsteps in the woods, like circling around us.
Feels
And
like
it wasn't far in the woods either. It was like close to the edge, right where we were. And there
Yeah,
was, we flashed a light and everything, nothing there.
I feel like whoever was whistling was telling something to come here.
It's a lot of noise coming out of them woods.
I don't like my back.
Is this a person? Or is this something
Else.
else? Should we feel threatened?
What the fuck is
It's
going
two
on?
green light touches.
To get back.
Is that like a yes right after you say get back? Do you hear that?
I don't know.
Do you want us to leave?
We turned green immediately.
Brother.
Is it for our own safety or is it because you want us to leave for your own?
It's like mashing green now.
For our safety? Or because you want us to leave because of you? You say, who are you? Did you hear
I
that?
heard the RU, and that's all I heard. There's something before it. It might have been who.
Did you ask who are we? Say boy.
What is that? Why is he whistling? It could be a very negative spirit. Could be soldiers. Could be a poltergeist. Could be something else. Could be a demon. Could be a lot of
Hey,
things.
It's a boy.
He's whistling like every now and again, just like a. It's weird. It's almost like he's signaling something. Oh, red touch right after I said he's signaling something. That's weird.
What are you signaling?
Whatever it was, it definitely gave you those heebie-jeebies.
Is it more than one person here?
Are you trying to warn us of something? Green
Fuck her,
touch.
green.
Should we get out of here?
Is anything dangerous around here?
There's a green touch right there.
Life threatening?
Say me?
Hmm?
Did everything just say me?
I hope not, because that'd be crazy.
Are you trying to hurt us? Medium touch. Medium touch.
How about we promptly see ourselves home?
I think he's full of crap.
There's nothing but woods out here, and we keep hearing crap out there, but
There are a bunch of dogs and he's whistling.
I took a bunch of still photos. So I don't know.
Could you like making a noise out in the woods? Maybe like throw something.
I love this light. I took a good couple.
Maybe we didn't see the wildlife out there, and it was kind of just checking us out, or it could have been. I know it sounds kind of weird, but maybe a skinwalker. You never know.
Can you touch the puck if you're friendly?
Still is.
Yeah, camera's like kind of moving around.
Green.
The green touch said it was.
Said what?
He's friendly.
Is there anything
Yeah, but
out there that's not
that might be
friendly?
bullcrap. If you were evil, would you say you were friendly?
Huh?
It might not be something that was ever alive in the first place. You don't want to be fooled.
He agrees. Keep whistling.
Is there a reason why you're whistling?
Whatever it is, it's not strong enough to like fully talk, but it's getting words through there.
Yeah, it's
Why?
like it's
I want to
speaking,
get the
but
envoy. Like,
Something's making noise out there, though.
What is it?
I don't know. It said some words.
Do you want me to shine my light on
Whistle.
there?
I would definitely keep one of the lights on.
Well, they agree. We should keep the lights on. That's for sure.
Flashlights not bother you?
lights out. See how dark it gets.
Dark. Dan's only one with night vision.
Do you want me to turn my flashlight off?
I don't want to turn the lights off, but we can, let me
Right.
throw the night vision on.
Dude, I'm telling you, it's not like...
Something like keeps moving around out there.
Are you in the woods? Or is someone in the woods?
That's not human. What time is it?
I don't even know.
Alright, what?
11:30.
Oh, no service, of course. Sky's probably panicking.
Sorry.
Would it be safe to assume there might be something here?
There
Say
appears to
there's
be.
definitely something here.
What it is, we don't know.
Whatever it is,
I'd
we can't
say
get a
it might
strong
be
answer.
worker.
A what?
A worker.
A worker
Like,
or
so-
something devious.
We keep hearing whistling. It hasn't whistled in a while, but it has whistled.
Yeah,
Most
it whistled a
whistling-
lot.
Yeah.
It was, and it said it was, well, the puck indicated it was
Says
trying
something,
to
they whistle.
say something or call something in.
If there's
That was,
Dude,
that was a
so
hard
strong.
whistle.
Who are you whistling to?
We're getting really weak chatter through there.
Shine a light right there. Not sure. I don't know if it was something standing there and looking at us or what.
Dude, every now and again something moves back here and I can hear it.
Alright, I think we may have just
bounce.
bounced. Alright, Spirit, thank you for contacting us.
Speaking
You're heading
to
out.
us. You didn't have to.
Appreciate it.
Every time I look away from this, I hear the twigs like
Same.
moving.
I'm gonna go this way.
With enough evidence to say there was probably something here, or at least in the neighboring woods, we decided to leave.
I don't know what, but.
Whatever it is, I feel less safe here than I did in St. Albans.
Yeah.
Still less safe here than I did at the tunnel.
What if all of a sudden you like look at somebody just standing there staring at you on their porch,
Like I said over there.
and then they start running at us?
Yeah,
I don't like running, but I.
You know what would be really terrifying is we look back and it's a shadow.
With our investigation coming to an end, it was time to sage to protect ourselves from any spirits attaching to us, and then leave. Whether it was the forest that was haunted or the surrounding woods, there was something in this area.